It is almost impossible to find a device right now that does not have this app on it. Yes, this app. And they have this feature I think we are all not talking about. That feature right there. Speech to text. Now, do not get me wrong, there is nothing wrong with it.
Then why are we here?
Just a little tiny thing wrong with it.
Oh boy.
And let me know if I'm tripping.
Yeah, we will.
When you try to use this feature like I am right now, everything is cool. I'm having no problem, but when I am done, this is where I have a problem with it. In fact, I have a problem with the fact that I cannot see anything until I am done.
Hey, what are you, on drugs or something?
I have a problem with the fact that I have to wait for transcribing or whatever it is called. And then here is my next problem. The very fact that most people use this feature to express themselves, to ask a question. And most times it can get really long, so most people will not check for any, what is the word I'm looking for, misinterpreted word. So most people like me will just press enter. Now, AIs are helpful and all.
True.
But they kind of have this rule, garbage in, garbage out.
Sounds like my first marriage!
So one wrong error in transcribing and you would be explaining to them and their response. Yeah, that. And there is not a lot of developers out there that do not have a chatbot powered by AI right now.
Oh, we gotta eat, don't we?
And here is my code, Hey Air. Honestly, I am not done with it. Been sidetracked with a few other projects and I'm kind of on pause due to some features not working yet. But I do have a text-to-speech and look at it work. As you can see, as I talk, I get to see whatever I say in real time. And if I transcribe wrongly, I can at least correct it whilst I'm speaking, or I can edit it later. ChatGPT, I'm calling you out. It's about time! Please do better. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if I'm right or I'm just trying to make a YouTube video out of nothing. Catch you in the next video.
Yeah, we can't wait.